Okay, we put select blinds in here, and watch this, these are really cool. You push the button on them, and you pull them down, and they're light filtering. And then this, I can't reach all the way to the top of it, but watch this. In the daytime, it's like having a set of shears up. Watch, push the button, pull it down. Uh-oh, there we go. And all the way down, I'm not used to these yet. And pull it down. And this will go all the way up. Again, like I said, I can't reach it. So, push the button. And you can pull this just about all the way down, like that, in the daytime, so you can have light coming in. But at nighttime, when you want more privacy and your lights are on, you don't want people to see in, you lift this up and you have just light filtering. And look how pretty they are, especially if you hang them nice and even. So, another selling feature to any house.